Welcome students. Students, we have already studied the 6 paragraphs of this topic at the high school. In the last paragraph, we studied how the easiness of Persian language tempted Gandhiji, and Gandhiji left Sanskrit and joined the Persian class. This incident grieved his Sanskrit teacher very much, and he called Gandhiji to his presence and started persuading him, saying that he was the son of a Vaishnava father and Sanskrit was the language of his religion. What was the effect of his Sanskrit teacher's persuasion on Gandhiji? Students, let us see the 7th paragraph to know how his Sanskrit teacher persuaded Gandhi to join the Sanskrit class again. Let us see the 7th paragraph of this topic. The 7th paragraph is like this. This kindness put me to shame. This kindness means his Sanskrit teacher's kindness. This kindness put me to shame. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. He had always a high regard for his teacher's affection. Today I can't but thank with gratitude of Krishna Shankar Pandya. Krishna Shankar Pandya was his Sanskrit teacher. He conveyed his deepest gratitude to Krishna Shankar Pandya. Why? For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learnt then, I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. Because of his little knowledge in Sanskrit, prompted him to study the religious books of Hindu religions. In fact, I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. Let us see the unfamiliar words in the 7th paragraph. The first word is gratitude. Gratitude is a noun, being grateful. Gratitude means being grateful. We should convey our gratitude to God for His creation. We should express our gratitude to God because God has created such a wonderful earth for us. Another is acquire. Acquire is also verb. To learn or develop or get. Acquire. He has acquired a lot of knowledge in English. He has acquired a lot of knowledge. Another word, regret. Regret. To feel sad. Regret. I regret telling lies. I regret telling lies. ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହିଥିବାରୁ ଦୁଃଖ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛି. I regret telling lies. Another word is sacred. Sacred means holy. The Ramayana is a sacred book. These are the words in the 7th paragraph of this topic. Let us students see the summary of the 7th paragraph. The Sanskrit teacher's love and kindness shamed Gandhiji, and he again sat in the Sanskrit class. Again, his Sanskrit teacher was grieved when he came to know that Gandhi had joined the Persian class. So he called Gandhiji to his presence and started persuading him. After his Sanskrit teacher's persuasion, Gandhi joined the Sanskrit class again. The Sanskrit teacher's love and kindness shamed Gandhi, and he again sat in the Sanskrit class. His Sanskrit teacher was Mr. Krishna Shankar Pandya. Who was his Sanskrit teacher? Mr. Krishna Shankar Pandya was his Sanskrit teacher. He expressed his gratitude to his Sanskrit teacher. Why did he express his gratitude? Because the study of Sanskrit helped him in studying and understanding the holy books of Hindu religion in the latter part of life. When he grew older, because of his little Sanskrit knowledge, he was able to study and understand the sacred books like the Ramayana, the Gita, the Mahabharata of Hindu religion. This is the summary of the 7th paragraph. Let us see the comprehension questions. The first question is, why did he come back to Sanskrit class? Why? Gandhi joined the Persian class, but why did he come back? Because of his teacher's kindness shamed him, and he had high regard for his teacher's affection. He never ignored his teacher's affection. So, because of his teacher's affection and kindness, he joined the Sanskrit class again. What put him to shame? Why did he feel shame? Because of his Sanskrit teacher's kindness put him to shame. Who was his Sanskrit teacher? Mr. Krishna Shankar Pandya was his Sanskrit teacher. Let us see the next question. The next question is, how did the study of Sanskrit help him later? How did the study of Sanskrit helped him in studying and understanding the sacred books of Hindu religion in later stage of life. As you know, the sacred books of our religion all have been written in Sanskrit language. So because of his Sanskrit knowledge, because of his little Sanskrit knowledge, he was able to study and understand the Sanskrit books like Gita, the Bhagavad, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana in later stage of his life. What feelings did Gandhi have for his teachers? Gandhi had deep love and respect. He had high love and respect for his teachers. He had high regard. He also expressed his gratitude to his teachers in this topic. In this topic, at the high school, Gandhi expressed his deepest gratitude to his teachers. So this is all about the last paragraph of this topic. So this is the end of the topic. Thank you, students. Thank you.